everybody, welcome back to Fudchannel. Today we are going to see how to make a very simple and easy, my home style version of prawns curry. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. So now let's see how to make this. First, now let's see the ingredients for the curry. I've taken 750 grams of deshelled and deveined prawns and cleaned it with turmeric powder. 4 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 3 green chilies, 4 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon curry chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half a tablespoon of red chili powder. In case you don't have curry chili powder, you can increase the coriander powder by half a tablespoon and increase the red chili powder as per your taste. 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala. I'll give you the link to this recipe down in the description box. Now let's see how to make the simple and easy prawn curry. Heat about 3 tablespoons of oil and add the cinnamon stick and cloves and the finely chopped onions. Let it slightly turn transparent. Now the onions are golden brown. We're going to add in the green chilies and ginger garlic paste. Saute it. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. Next, add coriander powder, curry chili powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Add little water so that it does not burn. After a minute or so, you can add in the chopped tomatoes. Now we are going to allow this to cook till the oil separates and the tomatoes are nicely cooked. Now the tomatoes are nice and mushy. Next we are going to add in the prawns. Mix it all together with the curry. Next, add required amount of salt. Add little water because the prawns will also ooze out water. We're going to close and cook this for about 10 minutes. Now let's check the prawns. The prawns looks nice and cooked. So next we are going to add in the Garam Masala powder. Give it a mix and we'll be adding finely chopped coriander leaves, and we can switch off the stove. So now our very simple and tasty prawns curry is ready. See how easy this recipe is. So this is our lunch today. We are going to eat the prawns curry with chapatti and rice. So you guys also try this recipe at your home and leave your comments below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Fudchannel. Thank you, bye.